This is the Burger Patty Maker kit in this 6-count set. So what I like about these is the fact that I can make burger patties and pre-make the meat, season everything, and then press them into their perfectly shaped patties. And when I purchase patties that are pre-made in the stores, when they're fresh, there's no seasoning. And either you just season it on top, but that doesn't really get it. I like the seasoning to be in the meat and prepared. So we're gonna be grilling tomorrow. And so I've already seasoned my burger meat. I'm making the patties so that I can store them ahead of time for tomorrow. The nice thing about these is that they come in this nice plastic. It's very durable. And it says right here that it is dishwasher safe, so that's a nice feature. In addition, you have this lid, and it fits really tightly so that you can store them ahead of time. And then another thing is that if you want to make them right away, you have you have 100 parchment sheets where you can stack them and have these on there so that you can keep them separate so they don't stick together. So it's really nice. You have some flexibility in how you want to use the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. I'm going to get some burger meat right here. Some ground meat. Make a little ball. Put it right here. Put this inside to help mold it. And then I'm going to use my plunger to help press it down and shape it. And then what I do after that, just lift this out and you're left with the perfect burger. So that's really, really nice. I already made a few over here, so just finishing these off. But these are going to be our burgers for tomorrow, and I'm really excited. So if you're looking for something like this and you want to be able to make the perfect burgers at home with your own blend of seasonings, definitely recommend this set because the plastic is so nice and sturdy and durable, dishwasher safe, and it helps keep it fresh. So definitely recommend this.